Welcome back to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime Summer Reading Program for the week of July 26, 2021, Odd Animals. Roly Poly Pangolin by Dewdney. Roly Poly very small, doesn't like new things at all. What if something out there bites? Roly Poly holds on tight. Roly Poly very small, doesn't like new things at all. What's for dinner? Ants and slugs. Roly Poly won't touch bugs. Roly Poly very small, doesn't like new things at all. Someone furry wants to play. Roly Poly runs away. Roly Poly very small, doesn't like new things at all. Rustle, snap! What can it be? Roly Poly does not want to see. Roly Poly very small, hears a teeny tiny call. Scary monster sounds? Oh no! Roly Poly, go, go, go! Roly Poly very small, stubs his toe and starts to fall. Now the world is upside down. Roly Poly round and round. Roly Poly very small, tucks up tight into a ball. Rumpty Bumpty down the hill. Roly Poly very still. Roly Poly very small, all alone inside his ball. The world's outside, but he's within. Roly Poly Pangolin. Roly Poly very small, here's another tiny call. Opens his eyes a teensy crack. Another ball is peeking back. Roly Poly very small. Not so frightened after all. Sometimes new things can be fun when you're not the only one. Roly Poly very small, feeling better, feeling tall. So much to see, so much to do. So much nicer when it's two. Pangolins are an endangered species. Their habitat is disappearing quickly, and their greatest enemy is mankind. Pangolins can be found in Africa, India, China, and Southeast Asia. They have furry tummies and no teeth, and they protect themselves by rolling into tight balls so that they are completely covered by their scales. Pangolins are mammals and have only one baby at a time, and the baby often gets around by riding on mama's tail. For more information on pangolins and how you can help them, please visit Anna's website, www.annadewdney.com. A portion of the proceeds of this book will go to the Pangolin Conservation Program at Cuc Phuong National Park in Vietnam, and the research going on there can save the pangolin. The end. Okay, so we're going to make a little hiding pangolin, little peeping pangolin, you can call them that. What you'll need is the pangolin template. There's the tail and the body, and you can see there's holes pushed out because we're going to attach them with a metal brad, just like this, and the little pokers pull apart. And then we're gonna just color him and put him together. I'm gonna use brown, and I'm gonna use black for the face, but I'm gonna make it light, like gray. So all we're gonna do is color the pangolin in. You can use paint if you want. You can use crayons like me, colored pencils, markers, whatever you want to do. And you can make him any colors you want. I was thinking of making him a rainbow pangolin, but I decided to keep him kind of typical, like you would see in nature. But don't let that stop you. You can make them any way you want. How about this? We give him a little orange ear. Just so you can see it. So I'm going to make his face and his feet grayish black. And then the rest of it I'm just going to color brown. And then I'll show you how to put them together. Alright, all we have to do is attach them. So I'm going to go ahead and put these together. I'll put the little brad through it. And then we're going to open it up. Half goes one way, you see, and half goes that way. It should move nicely. So we have Pangolin hiding in a little ball, and then he pokes out to see his friends, and he hides again, and then he comes out. So that's our little hiding pangolin. I like peeping pangolin better, but I called it a hiding pangolin. So that's it. That's our pangolin.